Welcome to Write It in 5. I'm author Victoria J. Coe. Today's session is creative writing. No pressure, no rules. Your challenge? Write as much as you can in 5 minutes. The topic this time is your toilet just got elected President of the United States, and it's making laws about time limits, cleaning, and dog slurps. Write about its first day in office and the chaos that follows. So grab a notebook, grab a pencil, and if you need help getting started, consider my toilet's first law was a 5-minute time limit for every bathroom trip, and people were panicking. Or, as soon as President Toilet banned dogs from slurping toilet water, the barking protests began. No rules, just write for 5 minutes. Time starts now. You're halfway there. Keep coming up with more ideas. One minute left. Keep going. See how much more you can write. Time's up. Did you surprise yourself at how much you can write? It's amazing what you can do in just 5 minutes. Bonus, share or swap with a partner and ask them, what do you want to know more about? If you could change one thing, what would it be? If you want to write more or add on, go for it. No pressure. And I will see you next time.